Hello Hacktubers! In this video I am showing how I made my digital power supply with LCD screen that can deliver 30 volts and 3 amps. The power supply module I bought from eBay for $25. On this small electric box I have placed the LCD module, main power switch and output fast power connectors, and you can use old laptop power adapter. This one that I found gives 19 volts and 2.6 amps of current, which is enough for this adjustable power supply. As you can see, it works well, and just to know, on this model you have a bunch of settings, and most used is adjustable voltage and current. Can go from 0 up to 30 volts and current adjust from 0 to 3 amps. Today's electronic project is simple and easy LED flasher with 555 integrated chip, which is timer. For making you will need basic electronic components like resistors, capacitors and LEDs. Back to project. As you can see, I have designed a small board for my mini project with 555 timer chip, which is in this case will be LED flasher with adjustable blinking speed. All components are soldered and you can see the result of simple and easy to make LED flasher with 555 chip. I also made skeleton light interactive gadgets. This will turn on when light is detected. In this case we're gonna use our LED blinker. Chain reaction of LED blinking, just first as actual blinking, others are repeaters. They are so cute and mini gadgets. About the project, in next minute you will watch how I assembled the 3 main parts for making DIY mini Xbox speaker box. Main module with integrated audio amplifier and Bluetooth receiver. From here I have soldered the speaker and LiPo battery. Basically you need Bluetooth audio receiver, audio amplifier, LiPo charger and LiPo battery. All this on this tiny board. Amazing! And custom made mini case for placing all parts.